2024 is about to be lit. Oh, I'm so excited. You know, I'm always excited about traveling to a lot of places, and yes, I'm about to recruit you all into the team. A lot of people have been asking me about the process of obtaining a Schengen visa to be able to travel to European countries. And for those that don't know, a Schengen visa is a visa that allows you to travel to European countries like France, Austria, Belgium, Germany, Switzerland. There are about 26 countries which I'll be listing below. And if this is something that you're so much interested in, let's get right into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm so happy to be meeting you all. This is the Havy's experience, where we talk about lifestyle, travels, and faith and everything in between. And in today's video, like I said earlier, I'll be talking about how to apply for a Schengen visa. Yeah, and the first thing I'll always tell people is that if you want to travel, you must know when you want to travel and where you want to go to. If you've established that, then you're ready to start applying for your Schengen visa and you can start gathering your documents. Number one is your valid passport. You need your passport to be valid. It must not be expiring within 6 months of your travel time. Yes, I said 6 months because by the time you go for your biometric appointment and by the time they'll be giving you this visa, 6 months is almost gone. So you need your valid passport that is not expiring within 6 months. Number two thing that you'll be needing is your biometric resident permit. For those that are residing in the United Kingdom, you need your BRP. And same as the passport, it should not be expiring within 6 months of your travel. So make sure your passport and your BRP are up to date. The next thing that they want to see whenever you are applying for your Schengen visa is your flight ticket, your return flight ticket. So they want to be sure that you're not just going to Paris or Greece and enjoying the place and you don't want to go back home again. No, you must go back to wherever you are coming from. Yeah, and Schengen visa is not just for tourism. Some people apply for a Schengen visa maybe to go for a family wedding, a friend's graduation, to go for business trip, to go for research conference and all of that. So don't just limit the application of Schengen visa for holiday purposes alone. It covers for so many things. So they want to be sure that you are flying to the country and you are returning back because it's a short-term visa. The next thing that you'll be needing when applying for your Schengen visa is your hotel reservation. Just like the flight ticket, they want to be sure that you have a place that you'll be staying with. Either you're staying with a family member who will be your sponsor. So if you're staying with someone who is your sponsor, that person needs to present like a proof of address or proof of sponsorship for you. But if you're going on your own, then your booked hotel ticket must also be ready. So in subsequent videos, I'll be sharing how to book our hotel and flights. Cheap ones, cheap hotels, cheap flight. There are several options that you can consider depending on your choice. Yes, another important document that you will be needing to apply for your Schengen visa is your travel insurance. It is very, very important. Right from the time that we had the outbreak of COVID, all countries are now very conscious of you having a travel insurance. It's not only to Schengen zones, but for different locations. I use Stay Short travel insurance, which was just about maybe £30 that covers for a whole year, and it has a lot of advantage. If your flight gets cancelled, you can ask for a refund. Yes, you heard me right. The next document that you'll be needing for your travel is the evidence of employment. Some say it's the proof of stay, proof of employment. So for students that will be applying, you need your admission letter from your university. But if you are a staff or if you're working, you just need your pay slip. You don't necessarily need a letter from your employer. I've had so many people say you need to get a letter, but I've applied and I only use my payslip, and this payslip covers for 3 months before your travel time. So let's say I'm traveling I want to go for my biometric in December. I just need to present my payslip from September, October, November, and that's it. I'm good to go. Yeah. And the next document that you'll be needing is your bank statement. So you are required to have not less than £1,000 in your account for like is it 3 to 6 months? Yeah, between 3 to 6 months, you are meant to have £1,000 because your trip should cover about £55 to £75 per day for the period of your travels. And to get these bank statements, for those that are using online banking like Monzo, Revolut, you can apply for that on their app and they can send it to you. But if you're using working banks like Barclays, you can just go there and ask them for a bank statement, and it must be stamped. Please, it must be stamped. And the next thing that you need while traveling to a Schengen zone is your credit card. Although this is not mandatory, it's not a mandatory document that you need to present, but it is just a plus. They want to know that, okay, what will you be spending there? You have a lot of money that can sustain you for that period. So if you've gotten all these documents that I've listed, then you are ready to apply for a visa. That you want to do is to log on to this link, which is visa-fr.TLScontact. So once you click on the link in the description, it's going to bring you to the TLScontact page, and it will show you the application information, how to create your TLScontact account, the step 1 to 6. And in step 1, it shows complete the France visas form, which we're going to click on. So click on this and it will redirect you to the France Visa Gov page. You can change the language to English in case you're not in the UK, and it will ask you, welcome to France Visa. Do you need a visa or start your visa application? Click on start your visa application, and once you're done with that, you can start your visa application. If you are a new user, you need to create an account, and it's going to verify your email address. But if you already have an account like me, you just have to log in with your details. Because I've started the application, I have a group already, but I've not completed my form. But if you're just starting, you just need to create a new application in a new group, and it also has step 1 of 6 that you need to complete too. It asks about your situation, where is your nationality, where are you from. You can fill in them from Nigeria, your stay, where are you residing at the moment, your country of residence provided, the city of submission. It has London, Edinburgh, just put it there, visa type. Remember, you're going to apply for a short stay tourism visa that is less than travel days, and your travel document is your passport. Make sure you're imputing the right thing, and your plan. Why are you making this trip? You're going for a tourism visa, and you have to either save it or verify it. You keep filling in your details, and there are about 6 steps which asks about your employment, your this is where you fill your hotel details also, and where you'll be staying when you get there, and your payment method. So once you're done filling this form, it will provide you with the FRA number like mine as shown here. And once you've seen the FRA number, this is the number you're going to use in applying on the TLS page. So we're going back to the TLS page, and we are also going to log in or register to the TLS. If it's your first time of inputting your details to TLScontact, you have to register. But if you've been there again, you just need to log in. So click on register, and you need to create your account, put your email, verify it, and it's going to open all of that to you. But because I already have a login, I'm just going to log in directly into my account, and it's going to bring up this page for you, your application form. So you're going to modify the form, because from the France government page, it's going to redirect you to TLS, and you select your purpose of travel. Again, remember, you're going for a short stay tourism private visit less than 90 days. Click on that. And once you click on that, that is done. Then your France visa reference number. This is the number that we got from applying on the France visas page. So once you're there, put that number in, then you fill in your details also. Please be careful again while filling in your details. Make sure they are all correct. And if you've had a visa application history, previous Schengen visa, you need to impute it also. And once you're done, you submit, and it take you down to the appointment site where you can book your appointment. So I want to warn us at this point that appointments sometimes are not easy to come by, but you have to be patient. you have to be patient and you get one. Then additional service is for people that want to do premium lunch, and for those people that want to go on out of hours time, you can decide to book for an additional service, but it comes with an extra cost. Then you pay, and after that you confirm your appointment, and yes, that's it. You're ready to go for your appointment. So if you have any question that you want to ask me, please, you can put it down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much.